What's going on, Satoshi Warriors? Welcome back to Seamus's Crypto Lounge. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Bitcoin and the short-term bullish move it just had, but I'm also going to be explaining why the medium term is still uncertain for crypto and Bitcoin. At the end of the video, I'm also going to be explaining how I'm going to be playing the medium to long term in the cryptocurrency space. Before we jump into the video, I just want to talk about a couple more giveaway details. First of all, if you haven't heard about the giveaway, go check out my last video. I'm going to be giving away some Bitcoin and some Ethereum to a couple of my subscribers. Also, I'm going to be picking the names by random using a random name picker. I'm just going to use your guys' comments and put them into the name picker and then give you guys the names of who wins. Also, if you guys want some more giveaways in the future, don't forget to subscribe because I'm going to be doing a lot more. Also, this Saturday, April 16th, I'm going to be picking the winner, but the video that will be announcing the winner may come out on Sunday. With that being said, let's jump into the video. So here we are looking at the daily Bitcoin chart, and as you can see, after that 7% move that Bitcoin had a few days ago, it's been maintaining its price right around 30K, and it's been setting in a nice level of resistance at 30K, which is a really good sign and healthy sign that Bitcoin is maintaining that level and not just breaking back down to where it broke out from. But we're still not out of the woods yet because I've done some research and experts are saying that around 29K is the level to watch. And if Bitcoin does break down below 29K, I could see it go back down all the way to 26.5 to 25K, anywhere in there. And there are a few things to be looking out for on the short to medium term horizon that could jeopardize the bullishness of Bitcoin. So let's jump into an article and see exactly what those things are that we need to look out for.
Hey guys, sorry to interrupt the video. If you guys are liking the content, don't forget to hit that like button. It helps out the channel a ton. And if you guys want to see more altcoin picks and Bitcoin market updates, don't forget to subscribe. It'd mean the world to me if you join the Satoshi Army.
So here we are in the article, and this has a lot to say about potential risks coming for Bitcoin in the medium term future. So let's get right into it. Bitcoin price maintained the 30K support as lower than expected US Consumer Price Index data was released on April 12th. The official inflation rate for March increased 5% year on year, which was slightly less than the 5.1 consensus. It was the lowest reading since May of 2021, but is still significantly higher than the US Federal Reserve's 2% target. So this is saying that while, yes, the inflation rate was less than expected, it's still not anywhere close to the Fed's target. So this means that the Fed could increase interest rates or at the very least hold off on cutting interest rates for a few months at least. And this is not bullish at all for Bitcoin. The data suggests that inflation is no longer the driving force behind Bitcoin's rally, and investors' focus has shifted from the impact of inflationary pressure to potential recession risks after the banking crisis revealed how fragile the financial system was following the Federal Reserve's 12-month hike in interest rates from 0.1% to 4.85%. And this is saying that while inflation is going down, this is bullish for Bitcoin, which it is. It's saying that a potential recession is bullish for Bitcoin, which I don't agree with at all. I think a recession would not be good for Bitcoin, at least in the medium term while we're going down in that recession. But Bitcoin will likely bottom before the recession bottoms. Continuing on, aside from the Silicon Valley Bank bankruptcy and the government-backed sale of Credit Suisse to UBS, several warning signs of macroeconomic downturn have emerged. This is not bullish for Bitcoin. The most recent ISM Purchasing Managers Index data fell to its lowest level since May 2020, indicating an economic contraction. According to the Federal Reserve documents released on April 12th, the aftermath of the US banking crisis is likely to push the economy into a mild recession later this year. Because of the crisis, some have speculated that the Fed will hold off on raising interest rates, but officials affirmed that more effort is needed to keep inflation under control. So this is saying that the Fed will not hesitate to put the United States economy and therefore the crypto economy into a mild recession. And as we know, crypto is a lot more volatile than the stock market, so this could mean anywhere from a 20 to 50% cut in Bitcoin's price. And this is not bullish for Bitcoin. According to a Moody's Analytics report, commercial real estate prices fell 1.6 in February, the most since the 2008 financial crisis. Furthermore, the national office vacancy rate reached 16.5%, indicating the severity of the economic difficulties that businesses are currently facing. So this is saying that not only are we going to be maybe seeing a mild recession later this year, we could see a housing collapse too, which would not be good on the economy. You know what happened in 2008. So with all of these things in consideration, it's obvious why I am not certain about the medium term for the Bitcoin price. So let's hop back into the Bitcoin chart and I'll tell you guys about my plan for the coming onslaught of difficulty and uncertainty in the markets. So for the last portion of the video, I'm going to be explaining how I plan on playing the short to medium term in the cryptocurrency space. Right now, I have about 50% of my total fund in cryptocurrency, and the rest is on the side ready to be deployed. And I have only 50% deployed because of those uncertain events that are potentially upcoming. The potential housing crash and a mild recession that the Fed pretty much did call out. So if those events do occur and the cryptocurrency space goes back into a downtrend, that's when I'll be allocating more heavily, because after that, the Bitcoin halving is coming up and there's just been so much downward price action that I can't see the crypto markets going much lower. And it's a good idea to have your crypto in mostly Bitcoin, because even though it is good to have altcoin exposure, Bitcoin will most likely outperform those altcoins, and you can pick up a bigger bag of those altcoins if Bitcoin does outperform them, even if they are increasing against the US dollar. That's all I have in this video. If you guys like the content, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more giveaways in the future. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, Satoshi Warriors.